Hi ladies, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon with my second project, as I stated in my previous video. It's the infamous Target mailbox, and I decorated this mailbox here with a couple of embellishments. I've seen a lot of these mailboxes with the sides embellished, but I decided to embellish the front of the box. I added a ribbon piece right here to hold my cute little charms. I love charms, so I had to add that there. I used a Martha Stewart little pre-made envelope and note card, and I tucked that right in the front so I can write my to and from sentiment there. And this box is going to hold some candies. And once the candies are done, the box is so cute that you're not going to throw it away. It's not a throwaway item. I created this little mini album to house my Valentine's Day pictures, and I'm going to put them in there. And I'll put the mini album in the box. Look how perfect it fits in there. And that's all there is to it, and I'll probably keep it in my scrap room, and it closes perfectly. So this little mini, let's talk about the mini for a minute, and I can't get it out. Okay, there it is. So this little mini is one of the pre-made mini albums that I talked to you about and I showed you on my previous video. This is the mini album. This is how it comes with these pre-made inserts that I do not like, but the album is so adorable that I figured out a way how to get paper bags in there or regular scrapbook pages in pre-made albums. And this is what it looks like. Oh, and I got this at Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby has tons of adorable little mini pre-made albums. So I adhere this little heart to the closure, and it's a Velcro closure. I got this pick at Michael's, and a little sentiments in the sticker aisle. I did want to add some more red because it is a Valentine's Day album, so I cut out a piece, I ran it through my Cuddle Bug and just glued it to the front cover. So the little mini opens up like this, and here's a tag. So it opens up like this. Here's a functional pocket, and there are the paper bags. They're little mini paper bags. So let me pull out a tag. There's the tag, and I did some more stamping, ladies. My stamping is improving. There's a journaling spot, so I can add some more journaling and some photos and tell my little Valentine's Day story. Okay, so that's for photos. This side is for journaling, and these are mini paper bags. Now let's talk about the paper bags. On my first video, I've gotten lots of questions on what paper bags I use for these mini albums, and these are the paper bags. They're Celebrate It bags. I get these at Michael's, and these are in the party section, the party and cake making section. They're not in the scrapbooking section, ladies, so you need to go to the other side of the store. At least at my Michael's is all the way on the other side, and this is where you can find these bags. They come in all different colors and in two sizes. They come in this size, which I use for this mini, that it fits perfectly, and then they come in this size, which is 4 5/8 of an inch, and I use this size to create this mini album, which generated lots of questions on my blog and on the Cricut message board. And I did say I was going to post a picture of it, but I figured I was going to show this project, might as well share the bags with you. So they're the Celebrated brand at Michael's in the cake making and party section. Lots of colors, so ladies, pick up your bags, pick up your pre-made albums, and go to town with these minis. They are so cute. Look at that. Where you can find a mini like that? Nowhere. You have to make it yourself, but making the exterior is difficult. You get half of it done for you, and then the other half you do it yourself. And I just love the interactive abilities you get with a paper bag album, because you get pockets and little flaps and all sorts of things that are fun for the viewer and for yourself. So if you have any questions, let me know. Visit my blog at www.paperphenomenon.com, or you can visit me on the Cricut message board and find me there. Send me a PM. But I will be glad to answer any questions that you may have on these minis, on where I get this, how to assemble them. If you have any questions on how to assemble these, you can look at my first video. I give you step-by-step instructions on how to assemble the bags and put the bags in the pre-made album. I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit me again on my blog and leave me a comment. Until next time, ladies, thank you.